you. Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going for a walk along the Hines River. It's actually looking pretty dried up at the moment. However, I have heard really great things about this river and that you can find some amazing agates here. So I'm going to go for a wander and see what I find. First find of the day. Oh, that's cool. I love that. What an awesome first find. So, oh damn. Not what I thought when I seen the shape. Spotted some red hidden in the dirt here. Just like this. Oh. I've just been searching for Cancelloni. Not too much luck. One piece found. It's been here quite a while. I'll keep going for a while longer. Unfortunately, this is as far as I can go this way. It's not worth attempting to cross that. Spotted this little part and I just have to come have a look because it just looks so enticing and peaceful. So I've decided while I still have time I'm actually going to wander up to another river, see if I have better luck there. Try a different spot of this river next time. But for now I'll head to another one that heads somewhat back towards home and see if I have luck at that one. Okay, so I've not had too much luck today. I was going to go to another river and the place that was coming up on Google Maps just didn't exist, at least not where it said it did. So now I'm at another river. I don't have a whole lot of space to look, but I'll give it a go. So this is the river. Just a small, slow flowing river. It's really beautiful here. There is algae here again too. This is a part of Temuka River. I'm not sure what this branch of it's called, however I know it all connects up. So I'll wander along, see how far along I can go. It's quite nice here, so enjoying the sunshine. Yeah, what's this? Oh, interesting. So I'm going to be heading back home now. It's actually been nice to slow right down. Don't need to lay rocks out today because, well, I can hold the one I'm keeping in my hand. Oh, thank you all for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.